guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot has happened since my last video. We moved out and we're currently in the process of finishing up our apartment. We're buying furniture and decorating, and since I've been enjoying the process, I decided to make a video and show you guys some of the pieces that I've really been liking, a few things that I've learned, what are my favorite stores to shop at. Currently with the pandemic, a lot of things are online. Some pieces that I have are from local stores, and I'll show you guys all that in a second. So if you like these type of videos, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into the video. So I have a few things, so we're gonna jump right into it. One of my favorite things, a lot of these things are actually from the kitchen, just because the kitchen is almost done. But one of the things that I wanted was an open shelf, which I'm gonna go ahead and put a picture here so you guys see what I'm talking about and you guys get the vision. And in the open shelf, I wanted to have things that were very nice to look at. So I got these. I couldn't bring all of them because it's impossible to carry all of them, but I got these from Amazon. I believe they were $26 or $16, and 6 of these containers came, all different sizes. There's a bigger one. From this one I have flour in here, and there's one that's bigger than this one. I wasn't gonna bring it. And then there's a few of these the same size. I think 3 of these, and then 2 of these, something like that. But there's 6 in total, and I use these for different things in the open shelf. I think they are a good deal. I had seen these at Burlington, and I think each of them were $8, and they came, you have to buy each individually. So I just decided to get the pack because I didn't have anything. And these are perfect for the open shelf or just to store food that you use very often. Now another thing has to be these coasters that I've been loving. I got 4 of them at Target. The little pack came with 4, and it's a dark wood on top and then gray in the bottom. The colors of the house, or for the decoration, we are sticking with any gray tones, so these match very well and I like them. Something else that are a must are candles, right? I buy them from Target, I buy them from Etsy, I buy them anywhere. As long as they smell super good and the whole house smells like the candle, I like them. Bath and Body Works, obviously everybody knows that does the work. I currently have this one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's called Marshmallow Fireside. It smells really good. I don't like sweet candles. This is a little bit sweet, but not as sweet as other candles that will give you a headache. I like something more on the clean side, something more subtle, but then you can still smell like the house smells clean, not like I'm baking cookies all day long. I don't like that. And then this one is Sweater Weather. I'm gonna save this one for Christmas, but candles are a must. Every time I go buy something, I look at the candles anywhere. If it's Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Target, and I always try to have 2 to 3 candles ready to just be turned on. So I always like to have candles or anything that makes the house smell good. I include that in the home decor because it's part of the aesthetics. And then these containers, you can reuse them. So I picked this one in gray because I want to use a container for something. I still don't know what, but I really like the containers. Aside from the candles, going back to more of the open shelf that I told you guys that we have in the kitchen that I want to decorate, I got these baskets from Marshalls. So I've been looking for baskets, and I didn't know what size. I didn't know how I wanted them to look, if I wanted them this light or darker, or kind of like the metal baskets. I wasn't sure what kind of baskets I wanted, so every time I would go to the store, I would look at them and just wait until I really saw something that I liked. I like the detail here. I saw some other baskets, and every time I wanted to buy them, and I knew that I had to wait until I found something that convinced me. The price was good as well. They were $7.99. Something about buying home decor that I've learned is to always wait. Even though you find something that you like, if you know that you might change your mind, don't buy it. and go very often to the stores. I really like going to Marshall's, to Burlington, to Home Goods, also online. But when I go to a store, like a physical store, I like to wait, and I like to go different days. And I just like to go look at the stuff and price match, because you can find a lot of things on Amazon, you can find a lot of things online, but sometimes Marshall's has great deals. Like these were only $7.99 each, and they fit well in the bottom of the open shelf, where now I can go ahead and put the table mats, I can put, you know, towels to dry the dishes, I can put different things here, and it's gonna look nice since it's an open shelf and you don't want it to look messy. So these are great. Another thing that I like from Marshall's is this basket, under shelf basket. This was $5, and it shows you here, I don't know if you guys can see here and then here, kind of what it can do. So it's just for you to organize. I actually have this in one of the cabinets to put like aluminum foil, bags, things like that on here, and keep it organized. For the open shelf, I have it all the way in the bottom, and I have some things here. It kind of helps me hide some of the stuff from Marshall's. Also, I have this utensil holder. This is pretty heavy. I got this when we barely moved in. Again, gray tones, and it says home sweet home. I like this because it's really big, so all my utensils fit here, and I like the color of it too. This I believe was $6 as well, or $12. I don't know. Again, it's very inexpensive at Marshall's compared to other places, or just if you compare anything, Burlington, all those stores. That's extremely heavy. So staying with things that I got from Marshall's, I also bought this, right? So it looks like a candle holder. I don't know what these are called. I don't know if they are called, it reminds me of a candle holder, but now they use them for many different things. Sometimes they put like a fake flower on top. I use this for my candles, so when I light them up, I have it like this, right? And it looks really nice. This was only $6 at Marshall's again, and they have different sizes. I like this because you can also put a plate. Say you have people over and you have pastries and you want to put them on the table. Now you have a different level on the food. You want to level the food. You can go ahead and place a plate here. Maybe nothing too heavy or too big, just because this is a medium size. But I like it for fake plants or the candles or anything you want, pretty much. I've been just using it for candles so far, but for the price, I think it's a good deal as well. And they have them handy from Marshall's. I think from Marshall's too, or I think one of them's from Marshall's and this one's from IKEA. I like to purchase these plants too. These run up from $5 to $10, the range, or I'd say $5 to $15. It depends on how big they are, and then also to what kind of style they have in the bottom. This is like a marble white and gray, and this is just white. I like to purchase these just because you could throw them around the house. Not literally throw them around, but you can put them in the restroom. I have this one in the restroom, and then sometimes I have it in this one in the kitchen window. You can put it in the open shelf that I'm talking about. You can put it in the living room, you can put it in the room, and it just gives a little bit of color. I don't like real plants just because they attract bugs, and I don't like that. I don't want to take care of real plants, to be honest, so I prefer these because you can switch them off, and then you can clean this as well. You wipe them down. I like to wipe especially this one because this one gets dirty a little bit more, so you could just clean it very fast and you put them everywhere. I mean, I don't have like 10 of these. I have probably like 3, and I switch them off and I look for different ones. But these are something that help you kind of get the decorating started. At least for me, in the beginning, I didn't really know what colors I wanted. I didn't have many ideas, so I went on Pinterest and then I just started buying these, and it helps you fill in the gaps when you're decorating, especially when they're so fluffy like this one. I really like fake plants. And then going back to Amazon, I purchased these as well. These come in different sizes. They have the lids, so these are mixing bowls. They have the lids, which I like, because if you are making something and you're not done, or you have to jump onto something else, you can go ahead and cover it. Or say you don't finish the food, you could throw it in the refrigerator as well. And it comes with different sizes. And then each bowl has its lid, which I really like. I'm missing one, so it was 5 of them. 5, and I believe these were also $20. Let me see. It shows you the different sizes. These are good to mix, to cook and all that, but the best part is the lid. That helps out a lot. So I really like these from Amazon. Another thing that I purchased from Amazon were these glass straws. I don't have a holder. I think you guys can see it better here. And it's a glass straw. They come in 2 different styles. They come in the straight straw. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then the one that's slanted, which is nice for coffee. For pretty much anything, I really like these. I'm just looking for a little holder because these are gonna go in our open shelf. But I really like things that are just glass and they look aesthetically nice. I found these mugs. You guys will never believe where I found them. I actually found these mugs at the 99-cent store. They are super thick. I was gonna purchase them off of Amazon, and they had 6 for $36, or they had 6. Yeah, I think it was 6. They sell you the set for $36. They were $1 at the 99-cent store, and these are perfect for coffee, especially if you like to add foam to your coffee, or you just like to see the different colors on your hot drinks. These are perfect. They're super thick. The quality of these is amazing. I couldn't believe that I got it for just $1. I went back and I purchased more, so I made my set of 6. These are our current favorite coffee mugs. We love these, and it was such a good deal. The 99-cent store has good things. So always look around. When you're looking for home decor, don't just shop at one store. Don't go the same day. Go different days out of the week to the stores, and then check different locations. You'll find some random things. Now to close off the video, the last item that I purchased was a cookie jar. It wouldn't be my house if we didn't have a cookie jar, because I love cookies. This one, I actually purchased it first from Target. Target has really good ones for like 10. The biggest one is, I think it's a whole gallon. I don't know. But the biggest one at Target is $10, and then they have medium size for $6. I didn't check the price on the smallest one, but the one at Target was damaged, so I had to return that one. I went to Walmart, and we found this one there. This is a good size because it's only Miguel and I at home. Oh my god, I just ruined the cookie decoration. Oh my god. But we have Oreos here, and I love how it looks, and I also love this in the open shelf, and I love that it's made out of glass. I really like the cookie jar that's see-through, and you can see the cookies and decorate them and switch them off. I think next time I'm gonna do something with more color, not just Oreos, because it'll give the open shelf a pop. But that's pretty much it for this video. These are some of the items that I've been loving. I hope you guys enjoyed this small home decor haul that I had for you guys. If you guys did, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.